Haga jingmi ke jing ot jing nam na kitrai dukan ba nalor kitrai hotel habaya day berka jing bom yo yaki commercial gas cylinder na kalyang uba Methodius khar umentri berikmi yakatanat food civil supplies and consumers affairs ula kubur baka don ke jing Duna. Haba pentep ya kadian syakilat pathai khobor haga no phai singi jonga arpo unre tere ula ber araja arpunrio uba Methodius khar ula ong baki jing Duna ki commercial gas cylinder kadai namar ke cap supply kabala bu dak sarkar India baka long tang arpo persen syakani ke Jylla bat ula kular banya kran bat ke sarkar India halor kani knang bakan kintiu no yakani ke cap supply. Nalor kata ula ong ru haga bay day pat bat ki domestic gas cylinder kam don kanu ke jing Duna.
Regarding this LPG, as we have already given a press conference last week. So there are two things. One is the LPG domestic use and LPG commercial use. So in LPG domestic use, as of now, there is no shortage. I would still again tell that there is no shortage, but yes, there is no surplus as well. In the normal time, we have some surplus, whatever the distributor demand, we are getting. But as of now, we don't have the surplus, but we are not having shortage as well. We have sufficient, but it's not as the normal time when we have surplus. So people might find a little bit inconvenience sometime in getting their requirement, because in normal time, like whatever you demand, you are getting. But now there's some restriction, and there is some system also that been putting on place that you'll be getting your cylinder as per the routine only. This is done so that you to streamline, and so that there will be no chaos and there will be no excess supply to a particular person or to a particular person or to a particular individual. And then in the commercial cylinder, it's true that there is some shortage, and this is because of the cap supply that we are having. Now, what the central government is doing, like we have also explained last time regarding the cap supply. Now, let's say that if we need 100 number of cylinders, so we are getting 100. But as of now, we have a cap supply of 20%. So previously, if there is 100 requirement, now we will be getting say 20% out of it. So basically, there will be some shortage, like we have seen. There is some shortage in the commercial cylinder. So regarding this cap supply that has been put in place by the Home Ministry from our department, and then my side, I have personally write a letter to our union minister to increase the cap supply that they have given to the state. So lately, like yesterday, day before yesterday, yesterday also, we are getting better supply in terms of this commercial cylinder. But yes, we are not getting that supply that we normally get all in the normal time. But the situation has improved a little bit in the commercial supply, and then as well as in the domestic supply. All right, see, that is understandable. Because all this while, like what I said, we have a surplus supply. So whatever they demand, like the hotels or the restaurant, whatever they demand, they are getting. In fact, they are getting more than whatever they need. But at this point of time, because of the cap supply that we are having, of the 20% that we are having, so some of the hotels, some of the restaurants, they are facing some shortage. And like what I said, that we have already write from my side also, and then from the department also, we have written to the union minister. And as of now, we are getting a little bit more than whatever the previous supply that we are getting. So we are hopeful that we will be able to to supply more this time than the comparatively to the 2-3 weeks before. And like all this while also, since since the situation has not arisen, so that regulation and that system putting the thing in place, that was not ready. But as of now, from the IOCL also, they have put some vigilant team, and then from the DC, and then we also from here, we have constituted two committee. One is the committee head by the chief secretary himself, and in the district there's a committee head by the district administration. So these committee are also supervising, so that there is no hoarding or black marketing as such. We are trying to control that at the district level and at the field level, and then at the state level as well. So. But as of now, like what we said, there may be still there will be some shortage to the restaurant and to the restaurant or to the hotels. But the situation is a little bit improving than in the last 2-3 weeks. And whatever the action has been taken from our side, also from my side personally, and then from the department also, requesting the center to increase the supply of the LPG. Percentage wise, I will not have with me right now, but the previous order that was given was there's a 20% gap. That would mean if there is 100, like previously, if there is a requirement of 100, that means they will supply 20%. So we have asked to increase this since Meghalaya is a tourist, it's a tourist place, and since Meghalaya is one of the place that. Like what you have mentioned, it's a lot of tourists, and then we are also depending on the tourism industry and the hotel industry. So with the same argument only, we have given to the center to reconsider about this cap supply to increase the cap in supply in Meghalaya. So from 20% maybe up to 50 or 60%. But exactly that that percentage I don't have with me.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam, kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bhag, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.